Mohammad Fawadul Haq, and my topic is process improvement and matrices, in which we will discuss how improving processes and using performance metrics can enhance software quality, reduce costs, and accelerate development. First, understanding process improvement. What is process improvement? The process improvement focuses on the systematic enhancement of practices for developing software. The focus is on quality improvement, cost reduction, and acceleration of delivery. The teams, through continuous scrutiny and refinement of processes, can build more efficient workflows for delivering their results. Process maturity approach. There are two main approaches to process improvement: process maturity, based on well-organized project management and adherence to the best practices. A very important example is the SEI Capability Maturity Model, which measures the maturity of an organization's processes on a scale ranging from level 1 to level 5. The Agile approach, iterative and focuses on flexibility. Agile encourages continuous improvement through feedback on each stage of development. Implementing measurement and analysis. Measurement and analysis is the key to process improvement. Performance metrics will show teams where the bottlenecks are and the inefficiencies lie, which will lead to data-driven decisions. Key metrics will include data collection, analysis, action planning, and implementation. Defect rate measures the quantity of errors within the system. Analysis effort in person days measures time utilization for certain tasks. And the SEI Capability Maturity Model describes the process maturity based on a set framework that guides improvement. Benefits of process improvement and metrics. Process improvement and the usage of metrics provide so many benefits. It enhances software quality, optimizes resource utilization, and reduces costs. What is more, it expedites timelines, ensures great collaboration, and leads to higher satisfaction by stakeholders. Sums up, these practices would driven long-term success for software teams. This is continuous improvement cycle: measure, analyze, improve, and control. Thank you for watching.